Hello, good morning. Meet me. I am a teacher of Rajesh Kamal International Play School, and now I want to say about my school. And this is my school, Rajesh Kamal International Play School. And in this school, many types of facilities like that laboratory, library, auditorium, and others. And by this we get more knowledge, and this is important for our school. And now I want to say about in my school have many types activity, just like singing, dancing, art and craft, and drawing. And by this we know how to learn, how to sing, how to dance. And I would like to say about my school principal. My school principal name is Rima Singh. Rima Singh is a very beautiful woman, and she is a very emotional woman. And all children loves to her because she is caring of all teachers and schools and my children's. And so all children's love to her. And in my school there are 500 teachers, among of them 3000 male and 200 female. And all teachers are well educated, and they have many types of degree, and they are all sincere for teaching. And there is 3000 students, and among of them 2000 boys and 1000 girls. And in my school, and all children are very sincere for study, because the teachers every time they teach to students, so all children are very intelligent. And now I want to say about in my school. My school is also bus facilities. If any students home is far, then the students come my school easily. And my school bus fee is very low, and in my school total 30 buses facility. And I want to say in my school have a big garden, and there is a garden name is Ramu. And Ramu is a very laborious man, because he always care of plants. And then he all times provides water. And in my garden there is many types of fruits, flowers, and small plants and trees. And by trees and plants we get fresh air and oxygen. And my school environment is very good, because in my school there is nothing but trees there, so environment is very cold. And in my there is 50 rooms, and among of them 30 classrooms, 5 lab rooms, and one cabin principal room, and others are a staff room and teachers room. And in my school one canteen. And if any student and teacher forgot lunch, then the teacher and the students go to canteen, and then he take lunch. And now I want to say about in my school there is a big playground. And after lunch time all the students go to playground, and they play different games. And yearly they win a trophy. And this is proud of my school. And in my there is a watchman. Watchman name is Sam work is very hard, because Sam always stand in front of gate, so his work is very hard. And we are take weekly test starting the month, and every Saturday we test to children's. And starting the month we provide a parents teacher meeting, and by parents teacher meeting we show to guardians then how type your children's read, and then and after that we provide teaching, and there is a big library in my school, and after lunch time we go to library, and they get more knowledge in our world and our other states. And there is a big river beside my school, and after holiday some children go to a river and they catch fish, and after that they go to market and they sell fishes, and then they earn money, and after they come to school and they pay money. And my school fee is very less, and so this is profit for poor family, and uh, every poor family come to my school and they admission in my school. And in my school there is 5 computer lab rooms, and the children go to lab room and they know how to operate computer. And in my school all cameras, all rooms have CCTV cameras, and by CCTV cameras the principal check then how type the teachers teach in classrooms. And सर और हो गया. हाँ हाँ बोल दिया. हाँ लास्ट करें. Then if you get more information, then you come visit my www.rajeshkamal.in. Thank you. गलत बोल दिया ना.